When she said, baby, have a good day, she know hear from me, she'll be calling. Tell me what more can I say? Feels like I won 100 million. I found a good woman. I found a good woman. Like I won 100 million. I got a good woman. I got a good woman.
So Asha Mullins is a Jamaican on the Japan Exchange and Teaching JET program. She's joining us now on Zoom to talk about her time in Japan so far and how she's getting involved in what's happening with our athletes when they get to Japan. Or, well, she said they're training already, right? Asha, good morning.
Morning, Asha.
Good morning.
How you doing? Okay, wow.
I'm doing well.
I want to ask if you're ready for World Championships, but it would seem that, yeah. Okay, good to talk to you this morning. What is the vibe right now where you are with regard to what's coming up?
Okay, so currently I am in the prefecture called Tottori Prefecture, and Tottori holds like a special relationship with Westmoreland in Jamaica, specifically Tottori City. So the athletes, they arrived earlier this week and they're at their training camp in Tottori City. So Tottori is Westmoreland's sister city, as I said, and the training camp is happening there. Tomorrow they're going to open up the training camp to people all across Japan. So kids across Japan can come and see a live practice session happening. People are going to be able to get autographs from their favorites. So it's going to be a big thing starting tomorrow. And on Sunday, we're going to be having a Jamaican festival in Tottori City with like a meet and greet. It's going to be just pure fun, excitement, and vibes starting tomorrow.
Yep, I know the World Championship is coming up. And by the way, folks, we keep saying the 13th to the 21st, which is true in Japan. It actually starts on the 12th here in Jamaica. So
we're ahead of us.
Yeah, we are ahead.
They're ahead of us.
They're ahead of us. So
yes.
How many hours ahead, Ash?
14, I think.
14.
Okay.
14.
Yeah, let's go back to the top. Tell me about where you're from in Jamaica and why you leave us and where you go. How this jet thing work out. Tell me about that.
Okay, so I'm originally from St. Thomas. I went to Martin High School and then I went to the University of Technology. I did communications and I majored in journalism. After that, I was working in my family business and then I wanted to get some journalism experience. So I started working at Jamaica Observer and I was there for about 3.5 years. I was a news correspondent for St. Thomas. And then I also went to Yellow Media Group for a while. And right before coming to Japan, I was a solo marketer for a private company. But I just really wanted to step away from Jamaica a bit. You know, something different from the Western world, something that would scare me a bit. And Japan was a good option, and also the JET program, because you get that diplomatic experience while impacting lives. So I came here last year, July 2024. So I'm just over 1 year in Japan.
Mm-hmm. I want to know how that's been, but let's talk about some of your other achievements. Miss St. Thomas Festival Queen in 2021, Governor General's, I believe, ambassador, former youth parliamentarian, and the winner of several video competitions. You're a storyteller by nature, Ash. So you're really good at this. Tell me what your year has been like, 1, and 2. You have something really exciting looking forward to because you are going to be serving as interpreter at one of these upcoming events.
Yes. So since I've been in Japan, it's been different for me because the role is an assistant language teacher, right? But I'm lucky to be placed in a school that does things differently. So I'm not only teaching, I'm also helping out with video editing, video creation. And they're like, just leave it to Asha Sensei. So Sensei is the name of the teacher. They're like, give it to Asha Sensei. She has the knowledge. She has everything. She can do it. So I've been helping with like videos. And of course, I'm getting the principal to speak in English, parents to speak in English. So I've been working on video stuff, managing their websites, and recently their social media platforms.
What?
Also, yes, and then I got this call saying like the Tottori International Exchange Foundation, they wanted to get in contact with Jamaicans living in Tottori City because they want to train the Japanese interpreters to interact with Jamaicans. But since the Jamaican athletes weren't in Japan yet, we acted like the Jamaican athlete and the coach. So we did scenarios where the coach is asking a question, how is his leg? Is he going to be able to run for the championship? So we did like real life interactions. And then we said, this person is fit for the role or this person is not fit for the role. So I was in the selection process of selecting the interpreters for that. So I acted like the Jamaican athlete and also the coach.
All right, so let me start from the top. Konnichiwa, genki desu ka?
Konnichiwa, hi, genki desu.
All I said, folks, is hello, how are you? And she said, hello, I am fine. That's it.
Yes.
So you are fluent in Japanese now or no?
No, I did N5, which is like the beginner course, and I'm supposed to move on to N4, but N4 is really, really difficult, and I get really, really nervous when it's time to speak. So like we're having a conversation now, I can pick up bits and pieces of it, and then when it's my time to speak, I am just like so nervous, and after the conversation, I know exactly what to say, but I know how to get around, I know how to order stuff. The people in my community, they know me because I'm not the only black person, because I'm not in like Tokyo or in Osaka. So for me, it's very, very different. In a good way, people are intrigued, they're staring, they're helping, they're quick to help. So it's been good. And we also have a community of other ALTs here, like from across the world. So people from New Zealand, Australia, South Africa. So yeah, and I'm also bringing some of the South African people to Tottori tomorrow as well, so they can enjoy.
What's an ALT, Ash?
Oh, assistant language teacher.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long are you going to be there for? Are you done with it?
No. I'm definitely coming back home. So the minimum is 1 year, and my school recontracted me for another year. So I'm just entering my second year.
Yeah. Is it anything at all like Jamaica? Any similarities at all?
The heat. Summer is diabolically hot. Like I didn't know that Japan experienced the 4 seasons here so distinctly. Winter, cold, bad. Summer, it's hot, but it's hotter than Jamaica because the humidity is through the roof, so it's muggy. You feel like you're walking in an oven. So everywhere you go across Japan, Atsui is hot. So everyone is Atsui. Like whenever summer coming, listen for Atsui.
All right.
So you're gonna be at the championships, Miss?
Yes, I'm going for the final day, the 21st. I'm going to be there for the finals. I really wanted to go before, but because of my work schedule, it's not allowing me. But I took the Monday off, and I'm going to be going from the Friday night. So I'm going to be in Tokyo. I'm going to be there for the finals.
All right, that's again. Hopefully we will link you again. Domo arigato.
Yes.
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimashita.
She all a little affectation, you know. You're going good, man.
And again, I just said thank you very much, and just say thank you too. That's all. Thanks, guys. Yes. Stay safe, and thanks for speaking with us. What time is it now?
The time is 9 o'clock.
Oh, go bed now. All right. Later.
Yes. Nice having me later. Bye.
Take care.
Asha Mullings, Jamaican in Japan. Up next, details on TVJ's return to Tokyo World Championship coverage. Experts here to speak on what we're going to be doing. Nefuri will have that.
Two of us will have it.
We'll be right back.
We are the two experts. Don't bring in two little people and let them look like them know what they're talking about.
No.
So what's the real experts right here?
No.
43 medal we are getting.
Let's keep dancing.